how we've shown unity in our community.
I wear my mask to protect the new friends that I've made in St. Oliver's.
I wear my mask and wash my hands to protect my loved ones.
I wear my mask to protect my friends.
I wear my mask for my students and my family to ensure they stay safe.
I social distance because I want to protect people from the virus.
I wear my mask to protect everyone, to protect myself, to protect you, to protect everyone.
I wear my mask so I can have a good Christmas with my family.
I wear my mask for the people I love and care for.
The reason I wear my mask is because my mum is sick and I don't want her to get more sick.
I wear my mask to protect my grandparents.
I wear my mask for my school.
It protects students but also your parents at home, uncles, aunties, grannies, granddads, everyone in the local community, especially if you play local sport, even kind of keep your teammates safe.
I'm sanitising because I want to go to my friend's birthday party.
I'm wearing my mask because I want to protect my grandma at home.
I wear my mask for safety.
It's very important to keep everybody safe. We want everybody to be safe, that's our priority. All staff, all students, and make sure that we stay open as long as we possibly can.
I wear my mask at work because I care about my family at home. I'd love to be able to spend Christmas with all my family, so let's keep wearing them for the sake of everyone else.
I social distance for my family and I set an example for the kids I babysit.
I'm wearing my mask to protect the people around me.
I wear my mask for my grandma.
I'm wearing my mask for my family and friends so I could keep them safe.
I wear my mask because I want to make sure the students in my class can come to school and learn in a safe environment. I also want others to wear their masks so my dad can stay safe because I want to be able to visit him for Christmas.
I wear my mask because I want to protect someone at home and myself.
I wear my mask to protect the people around me.
I wear my mask for my granny who lives with me.
I clean my desk to keep my class safe and I set an example for the younger students.
I wear my mask to protect my family at high risk.
I wear my mask for my family, for my students and for my colleagues in St. Oliver's Community College. Please wear yours too. Save lives. Save lives.